Okay, we're looking at 3D Pythagoras here. Now, the key to this is finding or being able to picture which length you're getting and use it and finding right angle triangles. So ultimately, we want to calculate the length VT. So that's that. Now, I'm going to need that length because my right angle is here. All right, so I can work out this length, which is VU. Now, VU is just going to be 6 squared plus 9 squared. Now, what you'll notice here is that I am, or hopefully you'll notice, 6 squared plus 9 squared, which is a 117. I'm not actually going to put it in my calculator. Okay, and that's because I will have to round that. So that's root 117, and now I need to find VT, which is going to be, now root 117 squared is 117 plus 15 squared, and there we go, that's going to be, where are we? So square root of aunts plus 15 squared, bop, which is, it says 3 root 38, okay, which I can now round to 18.5 to 1 decimal place. Okay, centimetres. So there you go. That little tip, leave it in surds or whatever for as long as possible. Now it says, I'm just going to rub out actually my scribbles for that bit. Where are we? So, oh, hang on. There we go. So let's just get rid of all of that. Only because it's going to get in the way of the next one. Okay, so there we go. Right, now we've got to find out, you'll find often, right, that little random points are placed in this. Now, I should have probably said at the beginning, the wedge, RSTUVW, okay, is shown shown as a triangular prism. Now, the wedge means that there's right angles here and here. Okay, they are marked on the diagram, but there you go. Now, the midpoint, so we're looking at a midpoint, we've got to find this angle. Okay, now, I'm going to redraw that. Okay, now down here, we've got this point here. Hold on, we've got to go, that's M. I'll call this N or something, which is this point down the bottom here, N. And we've got U here. Now, we've got to find that angle. The plane RSTU is the base. All right. Now, we know this height is 6. We've got to work out this length NU, right, which is, looks like, if I do it in a different colour, which is this one here. All right, I've got to work out that, so I'll do that in yellow quickly, and I'll do it up here so I've got some space. So that's going to be, we've got another right angled triangle here where we've got, so NU is going to be the square root of 9 squared plus, now it's going to be half of this here, isn't it, plus 7.5 squared. All right, so 9 squared plus 7.5 squared, 9 squared plus 7 squared equals, oops, I put 2, there we go, I put 2 decimal points. Now, that equals 3 root 61 over 2, apparently. Okay, and actually what you could do is just go 9 squared plus 7.5 squared equals 549 over 4. I could call that 549 over 4. Okay, oh no, not root, don't know why I put a root there. Okay, so that should be, so it's just 549 over 4, okay, which is all root there. Okay, it could be root 549 over 2, I suppose. All right, now I'm going to use a different colour. I've got NU, that is root 549. You see, they're not necessarily going to use nice numbers, you see. Now I can use trigonometry, and here's my theta, and I'm going to get tan to the minus 1 of 6 over the root 549 over 4, and I can stick that in my calculator, and I'm going to get shift tan of, use the fraction button, 6 opposite over adjacent. I'm going to use the fraction button again in a second. what is it, 549 over 4. Remember to close the brackets or the calculator will shout at you. And that's going to be 27.1 degrees. Now that is this angle here, all right? So that angle there. So it's, yeah, it's basically the key to this is being able to draw out the right angle triangle you're looking for, all right? Once you've got that, it's pretty easy. The maths is no harder than you've seen ever before, to be honest. All right, good luck.